get him. I don't know how I'm gonna get him. I don't know how I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna just have to slide him up there. Woo! I thought I had a bite right there. Wow, man, these are really quality fish. Let me show you where that fish is sitting, which it all makes sense, man. It does. It does, it does, it does. I set my line down there just painful, man. And I thought I got hung up for a second, but I was really had this bite. And when I pulled back, I don't know if you could tell by the camera, I was looking at the worm, and it looked like his tail had gotten bit. Man, that's a quality fish. Back to back, man. I turned the crown upside down. I did that, man. Boy, right here below me, right here in low, sitting right here. It's hot today. June 17th, I believe. It's only in the 80s. That's where these fish get in the summertime. They will get up in that white water. It's almost like air conditioning. Like if you were sitting in front of the fan, would you be back there in that slow moving water if it was hot, or would you be up here in this current getting all this oxygen and all this cool water? If you sit back there, it's going to be cooler here, more oxygen, more everything. So it makes sense. And I just didn't. I had never caught one there before, and I probably slipped up. But it just almost looked like a fish wouldn't sit there. It's almost what it seemed like through. And I think before, like when I was here the other day, there probably wasn't nothing there because it was probably too swift. I mean, not that they couldn't have sat there, but they didn't need to. It was swift down there too. Swift enough down there that they didn't need to sit right here. I did a pitiful job of landing that fish, but I got lucky. I got lucky enough to get it. This is where I was at the other day, basically. I think I was a few steps forward. And I made a video called Where Would You Go, I think. And what I meant by that was, how would you get across this creek? I've been standing right here. I've been standing right here looking at that same spot. And it was just that day. Woo. Love it, man. It's gonna be good. Rock falling, man. Open on these rocks, they get that dark color in. Woo-wee! Out here on another adventure, y'all. I ain't kidding you, man. This is my, I don't know, man. I don't want to sound too cliche. Richard G.